You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hello and welcome to Lucky Mini Food.
And thanks for stopping by the miniature kitchen today.
We are going to make chicken nuggets.
Aha!
And a special Chick-fil-A sauce to go with
that sounds tasty. All right, before we get started, we know there are tons of ways to make the breading for chicken nuggets or chicken tenders.
Yeah.
But we did start with brining our chicken first. So what are the rest of the ingredients?
So we have flour, onion powder, eggs, and then a little bit of water.
Okay, so we're not going to actually show you the sauce yet, but Audrey's going to get started over there.
Yeah, I'm going to start by heating the oil.
And then when we come back, we will get started and officially make the chicken nuggets.
All right.
All right.
Hold on.
What?
I thought before we start,
yes,
there's a few tools here that we have not shown before in the video.
A meat cleaver and a meat fork.
Yeah, and I thought you could use them to cut the chicken.
I will. All right. So I'm going to get started on the chicken while you do that.
I'll put the dry ingredients. Got some onion powder.
This way it keeps my hands clean, right?
Oh yeah. Pepper.
Oh, that works good. Thanks.
It's cool.
Yeah, it's working great.
Just gonna mix this up.
So we'll probably end up with about 8 or 9 nuggets, huh?
To the eggs, I'm gonna add some water.
Okay. Wow, this is a nice knife. I should have used this before, huh?
Yeah, cuts really good.
Are you almost done there? I'm almost cut here, so now
Pretty
we gotta
much done.
bread the chicken.
All right.
So we'll come back. You're all set. You got your salt, your pepper, your water.
We're all set.
I'm all cut here. One more piece to cut.
Okay.
Okay, there we go. Look at that. So we'll be back then, and we will bread our chicken and start frying. Look, just like dinner last night, huh?
Handy.
Okay, we'll be back.
Come back. We're gonna start breading the chicken here.
Now we work as a team usually, so I will get this here for you.
Perfect.
So we flour dip it, egg dip it, and back to the flour. I'm sure everybody has a different way of doing it.
Oh yeah.
Here, take that one. I'll grab that one. And we're gonna get a bunch ready just like this. It's also good to put it in bags. A lot of people put it in like a plastic bag and shake it all. That works too. And we'll just keep checking back as we get these done.
We can take that one.
No, I'll just leave it. I'll wait till you're ready. And then we'll just keep checking back. I'm gonna give it a little bit more coating. There we go. Ooh. All right, I'll give you another one.
There's a handy tool.
Perfect.
There you go.
Okay, we'll keep checking back, and when we're all set, we'll head over to the fryer. All right, moving right along. Your little tongs get covered too. It's like they're almost breaded, huh?
We're breading the tongs as well.
Once you're set, I will move this one over for you. I'll put this over on the side there. They can now hang out together. We only have like 4 more to go, so. Well, maybe a few more. Oh, while you're doing that, I'll do this. Get it ready for you.
Oops.
Okay. Take that one to the egg, and I'll do this one. Ooh, we have a new system.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll check back. We're almost done. I'll tell you what, we'll just finish these, come back, and then head over to the fryer.
I'm back. It's time to fry the chicken nugget.
This is exciting.
I'm gonna do 4 at a time. So let's see if there's a sizzle.
Yeah.
Nice.
Now, last night I probably made 50 or 60 of these for dinner.
And they went fast.
Yes, they did. Although I had some for leftover today. All right, so now just move around a little bit so they don't stick together. And then I'm gonna get some close-ups here. Now let's get a close-up of them frying. How about that?
All right.
All right, it's important to flip them. Now I cook them for about 5 minutes depending on the nugget itself. And you move them around the oil, but After they float for a little bit and cook for, say, 5 minutes, they are ready to go. Nice crispy brown. Ooh, they look good, Audrey. There you go. All right, as these come out, then we'll put in the next batch. Welcome back. It's time to take that first batch out.
Yep, they look good.
Now we are using peanut oil. And you'll see the more you cook, the more the oil is going to change colors, and the actual color of the nuggets will darken up probably by the time we get to the end of this batch. All right, I get to do the placing of the nuggets this time. There's 3, and there is number 4. They look good. Okay. So we'll just continue on with this process, keep checking back, and then maybe the last batch we'll get the sauce all ready.
All right.
Welcome back. Audrey put me in charge of the fryer now, so
Yes,
I'm
I
taking
did.
care of this.
I'm gonna make the Chic fil
They're looking really good.
sauce here.
So what are all the ingredients?
So I
there?
have a tablespoon of mayonnaise in there. This
Okay.
is a 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice.
All right.
Then we have a 1/4 teaspoon of this smoky barbecue sauce. A 1/4 teaspoon of mustard. And a 1/4 teaspoon of honey.
This is gonna be good.
Oh yeah.
And you just whisk all that together, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so maybe I'll switch the camera here and zoom in as you mix that. We'll see how the color changes.
Okay.
Now, we've had some questions about your nails. The last ones were acrylic, right?
They were press-on. Yeah.
Press-ons, and these are press-ons, but you decorated. You painted the
I
stripes
painted them. Yeah.
on. Nice. Have you been biting your nails?
No. One broke and then,
Okay.
you know.
No, I don't.
So
So what do you think about
think-
coloring? A little bit more color?
it looks
How
pretty
about you
good
taste it?
actually.
Give it a taste,
Let me give
yeah.
it a little bit taste here.
I'd
That
say
is really good.
maybe a little barbecue sauce to give it a little more color. What do you think? Are you going for like a little pinker look or not?
Maybe the real thing is a little more orange,
Okay.
but it tastes pretty spot on
Then
here,
we're leaving.
so.
All right. Done at the fryer. Let's head over to the tasting table and have some nuggets.
Right. Welcome back.
Check out that sauce. Ooh, those
Yum.
chicken nuggets look great. All right, how about a little sauce for each of us?
Okay.
Yeah, you move your plate a little
Go.
closer. I know
I
you're
really like this sauce.
a huge fan of the Chick-fil-A sauce, aren't you? It looks like it. I think your coloring was right. Maybe
Then
I just went.
Should we get some tamarind out there?
Yes, cannot forget them.
Yum.
Perfect.
And I'll dish out the chicken.
I say
Let's
maybe 3 for me and 2 for you.
Oh, okay.
And our guests. Don't forget our guests. Yeah, we got to get them. That's good. 2 each. Oh, so you
give it.
gave the guest the bigger one. Oh, and a smaller one.
Big and small.
Those are perfect.
Yeah, nice and crispy. Yum.
All right, so do you just dip them in? Do you use a
I'm
fork?
ready.
What do you do?
No, this is finger food.
Okay, I'm taking a sip just to clear my palate. Ooh, cherry cola. That's
Dip.
good. Right. Ooh, they sound good. Here, I'll just show everybody.
That's pretty good.
Dipped in. Here's a close-up of it. Look at that. Ooh. And then I'll take a bite. That is good.
Delicious.
Nice, tender, moist inside. So the breading came out really good.
Yep.
You can season it however you want. I've seen people use paprika. Oh, I think I'm gonna have one more. All right, I'll take a bite.
Really good.
So overall,
Success.
it's a success. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Hold on a second.
And the sauce, I'm surprised. It's pretty spot on.
Yeah. Oh no, I think there's something wrong with this one.
Oh.
Sorry, I hit the camera too. I think I better try that one.
Okay, is it good?
Perfect.
Oh, okay. Good, good.
I have no idea what we're gonna do next, do you?
No, maybe a dessert.
You think so?
I think
How
so.
about maybe I was thinking we'd do something like a root beer float or something.
Oh, that'd be cool.
A little bit different. You want to try something like that?
Yeah, a little mini ice cream. That'd be nice.
Awesome. All right, let's do it.
And until we see you next time,
Happy eating!
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave,
What's up, Butch?
make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.